Okay, so we were seeing that I had taken this example to clear. So you can see this. You can take, now I will take this part. So we did not place difficulty in the religion, right? We did not place any difficulty in this religion. So this is the Quranic verse from the verse. So from the verse number 78 and some from the surah number 22. So this part is not needed for us in the paper. The paper marker doesn't want this part. Understood? Because most of the alimas or hafiz used to select Islam for their ALs. Okay, because they want to increase their Islamic knowledge. So they, when they are moving on to the education part, they used to select Islam. Okay, and also they want this thing because to prove themselves. So in the guide they had given this Quranic verse number over. Sorry, you can ask me a question that then why had they, madam, then why had they added this surah verse number and Quranic verse number in the guide? Like that you can ask in the notes, but they had given this to prove us. Understood? So they can give this the any, now even a normal person can write that Allah has said that in the Quran, like that a normal person can write, but they had given us that this is a proof for this. So to prove us, they had given the Quranic verse number and the surah number, so you can check in the Quran, so it will be damn true, right? And also this is not needed. So in for this we should add another thing. Okay, for this we should add another thing. So after finishing, before going on to that part, we'll see this. So we did not face any difficulty in this region. So you can write, you don't want to memorize. So the main point here is the studying issue. To get rid of the studying issue is you should what? You should take the content to your mind. Okay, so here in this Quranic verse, Allah says He didn't place any difficulty in the religion, right? He's saying that He didn't give us anything difficult. Okay, so you can write in your own words, but it should be truth. Okay, it should be 100% truth. Okay, it should be in the format of Quranic verse, right? So here, see, we did not place difficulty in this religion. So we can write, Allah says in the Quran, you can put the comma and you can write, put it the inverted comma, and you can write, we did not place any hard in this religion. This is in your own words, right? And also you can put a bracket and then you can write as Quranic verse. That much. So this is enough. So this is the best method to what? Get rid of the memorization part of Quranic verse. Understood? Okay. So then even Hadith verse also same thing. Okay. Wait, I will erase it. Okay. Hadith verse also same thing only. So you don't want to write like Sahih Bukhari or Sahih Muslim, those things you don't want to write. Okay. So we had across this part. What part? This memorizing Quranic verses. Okay. So studying issue is, what is the main part of studying issue? We can't memorize. I'm saying that if you memorize even the theory or the Quranic verse, you will not what? You will not remember it. Okay. So now the person, I don't know who are the people, I mean the students who had joined. I don't know who of you are a private candidate or a school candidate. I don't know. So for the school candidate, in the school they used to keep first term exam, second term exam and all. So they will study better. Okay, they will study perfectly for the exam. Okay, like in Tamil we used to say bulundu bulundu padikkirendu. They will fall and study. Okay, they will better, they will perfectly, they will study, but after the exam, damn through, you will not remember anything. Again for the second term you will study that part and the second term part, so you will again bulundu bulundu padikki, same thing. But even for the final exam same happens. Okay, so yeah, you will final exam you will study 12 and 30. Okay, so for that all I am saying that what? Maintain. What to maintain? Understand the content. First of all, understand and keep it in your mind. Okay, so I had added with this the time management. Okay, so if I went to this part only, you will understand that part. Okay, so I will across here. Okay, so time management. So I had added this point because most of the students used to complain that, ma'am, I don't have time to study. right? So I am saying that don't want to study every day, right? Every day or every hour or all the time you don't want to study. You have to manage both. Like I'm not saying that don't want to study all the time. I'm saying that don't want to study all the time Islam, same subject. Okay, so the thing for Islam is I am giving a solution for you. What is that mean? First of all, manage your time. Now I am doing the class at 4, right? So it will be sometime, it will be 5:30 or 6, so I will finish it, right? So after finishing my class, you can take a rest like sleeping, or you can move on to your religious activities like praying, reciting Quran. So you can do those things, right? So after that, like 8 to 10, okay, or you can take like 7 to 9. So you can take 2 hour. 2 hour is um like it is like something, it is a more time, it is like more time. Okay, so you can take minimum 1.5 hour in is enough. So today I'm just giving you an example. So I had taught you the first point 1.1 lesson, okay, in the class. So after this, now you're going to that 2 hours part. No, so in that you can revise this. How will you revise it? Okay, get up, what, take rest, go to your religious activities and do your home activities, personal activities, and then take 2 hour. Okay, take 2 hour and then revise it. How will you revise it? How will you revise it? If you are a night queen, you can take 2 hour at night, like 8, 10, 12, anything, that's your wish. Or if you are a morning queen, like who the person who used to get up at 4, like for the fajr time, so that time will be for some girls night time will be perfect. For some girls fajr, I mean subah time, or the mornings 8 to 10, like that it will be perfect. So it's according to your wish. Okay, so if I had completed teaching you this part, you should take 2 hour time and then you should manage to revise within this duration. Okay, so even fajr time, if you take fajr time 4 p.m. now you are get upping. Okay, 4 p.m. So 4 to 5 you are doing your religious activities. So after that 5 to 7 you can study. Understood? You can study. So the main point is, first of all, you should, what to do? How will you revise it? Take your book. Take your book. How will you revise it? And read. Read. Nicely read it. Understand. Or if you didn't understand, go to my recordings. Or if you can't mean, go to my WhatsApp chat and ask doubts. And then now you are clarified right through the theory. Now, if you are a person who used to shout loudly and do something mean, go to the mirror and then teach yourself. You had understood the content, right? See the heading? Now see the mirror. Teach yourself. Okay? So if you are the person, you're a silent person who don't want to shout or who don't want to do like this, take the book. First of all, see the heading. Take the book. Write everything in your own words. Your guide will not be in the exam. Understood? Okay? You can't memorize it because in the exam you will be writing through your own words, through your own mind. Memorization will not appear. Half and it will appear in the exam. The other half will be forgotten. So that's the main point of time management. So I am saying that in time management, after my class at Maghrib time, take a book for Quranic verse and Hadith verse. So in Islam, now in unit 1, what verses you should importantly you should know. So for example, now you are going to write about Al-Usra, okay, easy way of life. So in that you should memorize only one verse, one Quranic verse and one Hadith verse. Okay, one Quranic verse and one Hadith verse. Understood? So you should just take a book, put the heading related to Easy Life Al-Usra and write the Quranic verse in your own words and then put it in the bracket Quranic verse. Write the Hadith verse in your own words, put it in the bracket Hadith verse. Okay. So next time, what? Theory. Okay. What? Take the theory and then just understand everything and then teach or write and see. Take a book and write and see. So this is the thing I'm saying. Okay. This is the thing that I'm saying. So at Maghrib time, go through the Quranic verses, and then after that, take a 2 hour and then go through the theory. That's the thing I'm saying using this time management. Now we are going to see Islam and its features. Okay, so we'll see that. So this is regarding one lesson. So this is the regarding explanation regarding 1.1 lesson. So 1.1 lesson is what? Islam and its features or characteristic. Okay.